From the microwave oven we use in daily life to fluorescent lamps, from the ignition systems that make cars move to radios or remote controls, hundreds of inventions trace back to the genius of Nikola Tesla. He was an idealist who first imagined generating free electricity and even proposed the possibility of wireless communication. Tesla held over 250 patents. Tall and with black hair, Tesla was born in 1856 in a rural part of Croatia. A tragic event in his childhood had a lasting impact on him. His older brother, named Dane, died after falling from a horse while Tesla was nearby. As a child, Tesla conducted daring experiments. At one point, he jumped from the roof of his house holding a large umbrella, hoping to create an experiment. When the results did not meet his expectations, he tried again, tying June beetles to the umbrella in an attempt to slow his fall. Unfortunately, this also failed. As a student, Tesla claimed that the water flowing freely around the world could be harnessed for energy. One day, he famously told listeners that the Niagara Falls in the U.S. could be used to generate electricity. In 1884, he moved to New York with only 4 cents in his pocket. There, he started working for Thomas Edison as a regular electrician. Soon, he was promoted and tasked with redesigning Edison's direct current DC generators. Edison promised $50,000 for the project, equivalent to $1.5 million today, but after Tesla completed the design, which solved the common problem of frequent power outages in the U.S., Edison refused to pay him, claiming it was a joke. Tesla resigned and began developing the alternating current AC system, which challenged Edison's DC monopoly. Edison, fearing the competition, spread false news that AC was dangerous and responsible for deaths. He even went so far as to publicly electrocute an elephant to scare people. Despite these attacks, AC eventually won, and Tesla, true to his vision, did not seek revenge. True to his student claims, Tesla built the world's first functional hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls, providing electricity to the public rather than only the wealthy. He also took risks by constructing an unprecedented tower designed to transmit images and sound over long distances, essentially laying the groundwork for modern television. Tesla invested all his money in this wireless electricity project. Using the tower, he successfully lit 200 light bulbs kilometers away without wires and created 100 million volt, 30-meter-long artificial lightning bolts. His ultimate goal was to store this energy in the atmosphere and allow people worldwide to use electricity wirelessly. However, once electrical companies learned of this plan, they withdrew their investments, fearing their businesses would collapse. Tesla's project eventually halted, and the tower was demolished in 1917. Later, Tesla attended an auto show in New York and showed Henry Ford a new ignition system that we still use today. While Ford initially rejected Tesla's ideas, the design was eventually taken and patented by Ford. In 1898, Tesla created a demonstration in Madison Square Park. He built a large tank filled with water, placed a small toy boat with a radio receiver inside, and controlled it remotely. The crowd believed Tesla had moved the boat with his mind, and the event made headlines. Tesla explained that it was not a weapon, but a mechanical man designed to assist humans. Tesla was also fascinated by life in space. In 1899, he sent sound waves into space from his laboratory, paving the way for remote-controlled vehicles, aircraft, spacecraft, and robotics. In 1934, he announced a new invention, the Teleforce, or death ray, claiming it could destroy 10,000 warplanes from 400 kilometers away using concentrated lightning bolts. Despite laying the foundations of the modern world, Tesla did not pursue wealth. While others made billions from his inventions, he died alone, penniless, and forgotten in 1943 at the age of 86. Tesla once said, "Money means nothing to me. I have devoted all my inventions for the benefit of humanity." Nikola Tesla remains one of history's greatest inventors, whose ideas continue to shape science, technology, and everyday life.